Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll use and enabling Drive access. This lets Rave write and read files. In the Rave app, tap Settings, then Integrations, then Google Drive. Choose the account, accept permissions for viewing and organizing files, and allow uploads. Once done, Rave will show Drive as an available storage option. This initial link creates the secure OAuth connection, so file transfers later are seamless and authorized by you. You now upload content from Rave into Drive. Tap Upload, pick Google Drive as the destination, and either select an existing folder or create a new one in Drive from within Rave. When selecting files, tag them or add metadata so they remain searchable. Rave will preserve those tags when writing to Drive. Make sure to set share permissions, view or edit, so collaborators can access. Once uploaded, Rave will index the files in Drive and list them back in the app for easy access. You finish by verifying files in both Rave and the Drive web interface. This confirms successful sync. If something's missing, use Rave's sync or refresh function to reindex the folder. This forces Drive metadata to update. Make sure you have adequate Drive storage and stable network connectivity. If issues persist, revoke Rave's Drive permission in your Google account and relink it from Rave. Reauthorizing often clears token or permission errors. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.